Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 88,983 miles on the odometer, and this car drives so nice. Shifts really smooth, steering's perfectly straight, alignment is solid. Really no complaints with drivability. If you see any flickering here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. No complaints with drivability whatsoever. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Center cap, that looks really good. There are a couple chips on the caliper there. Bright red, looks good. No PPF on this car, so you do have little rock impacts, a few noticeable rock chips every once in a while. And being a gloss black car like this, you're gonna see little micro swirls and things like that from just everyday washing. That looks good. A-pillar, a couple little chips every once in a while. Here on the side mirror, you do have PPF on the side mirror, so you're gonna see these little impacts throughout. It's hard to tell if any of them made their way through, but film is there to protect it. You see some little markings. If you get close, you're gonna see all of the very light little impacts and stuff. Very subtle stuff over the years. You see that has a little broken piece on that plastic, very common. A few more chips here and there, but for the most part in great condition. Of course, you get here on that, you're gonna see these little impacts. Now the camera is kind of intensifying that. Of course, you get back here, you know, just walking around the car, that's what it's gonna look like. Some little scratches there. That one does catch my nail, right there. That looks good. That wheel's in great condition. Looking at the tires, got the Pirellis. Looking for a date code here, right there, 2024. The tread looks good. Let's look at this one real quick. Date code 2021. Like I said, no PPF on this car, so it has sustained little impacts, little rock chips. Looking at the lens, get up close, of course you'll see that, but for the most part that's in good condition. I do see some little hard water spots, typical swirls, little chips. You can see some dimples in the paint there. See them kind of reflecting in that light from a potential repaint. Because I see those little dimples every once in a while. You got some chips here. Overall, that looks good. Some very light yellowing. Same here. Clear markers. For the most part, that front end looks really good. Here on that fender, overall looks good. Now if we get close in the corners, you're going to see some flaws over the years. I don't see any rash. Dayco 2021 matches the other side. Door looks good. Film here. You have a couple rock chips up there that are noticeable. A couple chips on that edge. Typical impacts in that area. Date code on that tire, 2024. And then you do have a little bit of rash right there. Upper section, overall looks good. Taillights are crystal clear. Those look really nice. The rest of this is in great condition. Typical little imperfections, but as a whole, that is a beautiful, beautiful car. All right, checking out this interior. It is a non-smoker. It looks really, really good. The upper section looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. Now this little guy does keep popping out. Looks like the clip is probably broke. Got the memory seating. Typical wear on the edge here. The rest of that looks good. Normal scuffs from getting in and out. Looking at that bolster, that is really, really nice. Typical wrinkles up here. Even the edge of this looks good. A couple light scuffs. Otherwise, that seat looks good. Steering wheel, you still have a really pretty matte finish to it with a very low gloss. Not super shiny, not brand new matte, but it's still, I can see that matte look to it, which is really nice. Very clean wheel. That looks good. Got the carbon here on the underside that matches this. Upper side of the dash looks good. Looks like a crack right there on that carbon. You're going to have typical fading of that clear coat. See, it has like an opaque look to it. Looking at the screen, you do have a scratch in it. Those buttons look good. Heated, cool seats. This is a really nice interior. Here on that door panel, a couple light scuffs there. Otherwise, that looks really, really good. Typical scuffs on that plastic trim, but this one is in great condition. You have the wrinkles. You can see this has a rip in it right there. A couple indentions. This upper section though, that looks really nice. That looks amazing. A lot of those are really scuffed up, especially that material. It really gashes pretty easy. That one looks nice. Back here at the bottom seat, that looks good. Upper section looks nice. Carpets look good. Just kind of scanning all of that. That looks really nice. Carpet looks good. Plastics look really, really nice. Here on the underside, it's in great condition. Just gonna scan through this. Then we have our button here. Top looks great. Let's check out the top here. You do have a gash right there on the plastic. A couple little spots there. All of that looks good. Got the tempered glass. Looking at this side, nice and clean. I don't see any rips or tears, and that is really nice. And now that we are in the sun, I did notice that the carbon over here is cracked as well. And this also is a good visual of kind of how the clear coat has faded over the years, has that opaque look.